Hello, my name is Shubhendu Das and I am your mathematics teacher at Manita. And today I am going to teach you one of the most important topic of class 10, that will be linear equation in two variables. And it will be lecture number 4. In the last three lectures, we have learned about how to graphically we represent the equations by putting their values. Now today we will read about the graphical representation or the graphs of equations having no solution. In the last two classes, we learned how to draw the graphs of equation having one solution and having infinitely many solutions. And today we will learn how to draw graphs in the equations where there is no common solution or no common intersection points. So first example, it is 2x minus 3y. This is example number 1. 2x minus 3y is equals to 5 and 6y minus 4x is equals to 3. Now from here we can say that 3y will be equals to 2x minus 5 and y will be equals to 2x minus 5 divided by 3, and that will be equation number 1. And in the equation number 2, 6y will be 3 plus 4x. Now y will be equals to 3 plus 4x divided by 6, and it will be equation number 2. Now when you put x is minus 2, then y will be minus 9 by 3, that will be minus 3. If x is equals to 1, then y will be equals to minus 3, that will be minus 3 by 3, that is minus 1. If x is equals to 4, then y will be 3 by 3, that is 1. Now in the second equation, if putting x is equals to minus 3, then y will be equals to minus 3 by 2. Now if x is equals to 0, then y will be equals to 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. Y will be equals to 1 by 2. Now if if x is equals to 3, then y is equals to 5 by 2. Now put the value in the table. The first equation, just put the points in the table. So 1 2 3. So x by y. So if x is here minus 2, y is minus 3. If it is x is 1, y is minus 1. If x is 4, y is 1. In the second table, we put the points of the second equation. So it is x, y, it will be 1, 2, 3, x, y. Now if x is minus 3, then y is minus 3 by 2. If x is 0, y is 1 by 2. If x is 3, y is 5 by 2. Now put the points here. So this is the graph. Suppose this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. It is y, it is y dash, it is x, it is x dash. Now if you put the points here, it is suppose a b c, and put the point as a b c. and here it will be this P, this is Q, and this will be R points. Let's put the point. So this will be PQR points and this will be ABC points. So what are the points? So this is B, this is B, B coordinate is 1, comma minus 1, it is A, A's coordinate is minus 2, comma minus 3, and it will be C, that is 4, comma 1. And this is PQR, where P is, this is P point, this coordinate is minus 3, comma minus 3 by 2. Now Q is 0, comma 1 by 2, it will be Q, and it will be R, that is 3, comma 5 by 2. Now it is clear that two lines never intersect each other. That means they are parallel. It is clear that two graph lines are parallel to each other and they do not intersect even when it is produced, or it is the line is produced, it is not intersect. These two are the parallel. So these two are the parallel lines. If there is no intersection point, or if there is no common point, that means they are parallel to each other and they never intersect each other. Now second example, x minus y is 8 and 3x minus 3y is 16. What is given? So graphically that the system of linear equation is the system of linear equation is inconsistent. Or it has no solution. Let's do this. The first graph is given x minus y is equals to 8. So from here y will be equals to x minus 8. Now the second equation 3y will be 3x minus 16 and y will be 3x minus 16 divided by 3. Now from the first equation, if you put x is equals to 3, this is the equation number 1 and this will be the equation number 2. In the equation number 1, if you put x is 3, then y will be minus 5. Now if x is equals to 4, then y will be minus 4. If x is equals to 5, then y will be equals to minus 3. This is the first equation. Now in the second equation, if x is equals to 2, then y will be 6 minus 16, that is minus 10 by 3. Now if x is equals to 3, then y will be equals to minus 7 by 3. If x is equals to 0, then y will be equals to minus 16 by 3. Now put the point in the table. X and y. If x is 3, y is minus 5. If x is 4, y is minus 4. If x is 5, y is minus 3. Now here in this equation, put the points into the table 1, 2, 3, x and y. If x is 2, y is minus 10 by 3. If x is 3, y is minus 7 by 3. If x is 0, it is minus 16 by 3. So now we just put this into A, B, C points, and we'll put this as D, E, F points in the graph. So in the graphical representation, it is the graph. It is the x-axis. So x minus. It will be y and it will be y minus. Now 3 points, that is A, B, C first we put, and it is D, E, F. So this is the D point, this is the E point, and this is the F point. The coordinates are 3 comma minus 10 by 3, and E is, the coordinate of E is 2 comma it is 2 and minus 7 by 3, 2 comma minus 7 by 3, and this point is 0 comma minus 16 by 3. Now 3 points A, B, C. So this is A point, this is B point, and this is suppose C point. The coordinates are 3 comma minus 5, it will be 4 comma minus 4, it will be 5 comma minus 3. So it is clear that these two graph lines are not intersecting. So that means it has no solution. It has no solution as the lines A, B, C and D, E, F are parallel to each other. And they do not meet when it is produced. That means it's never touches if it is produced. Now we will do the solution. Now how we can solving without using the graph. That means by using the algebraic method. Solving the linear equations by algebraic method. Now without graph we will do this. We will solve this. Okay, so first, how we can do? By this example you can find this. So first question or first example, that is given that solve for x and y, solve for x and y by using substitution method. So first we will read about the substitution method. The first question is given this. What is the given 2x plus y is equals to 7 and 4x minus 3y plus 1 is equals to 0. Two equations are there and we will use this method, that is the by substitution method. Substitution method, we will substitute. How we can substitute? We will do it very easily. So there are two equations. First we have to write two equations individually. 2x plus y is equals to 7 and it will be equation number 1, and 4x minus 3y plus 1 is equals to 0, it will be equation number 2. Now from the first equation you will find the value of y. So y will be 7 minus 2x. Y will be 7 minus 2x. Now we will substitute y, or we will put the value of y in equation number 2. Now substitute this y is equals to 7 minus 2x in equation number 2. What we will get? We get that 4x minus 3y. Y means 7 minus 2x. So that means we put the value 7 minus 2x instead of y. Plus 1 is equals to 0. Now calculate it. 4x minus 21 plus 6x plus 1 is equals to 0. Now 4x plus 6x, that means 10x. 10x minus 20, so 20 minus 21 plus 1, that will be minus 20 is equals to 0. Now 10x equals to 20. So x will be equals to 20 by 10. That means it will be 2 by 1 or 2. So x is equals to 2. We will get the value x is 2. Now we will substitute. In the first we substitute y in this. And now we will substitute x. Substitute x in equation number 1. If you put, substitute means if you put the value of x in equation number 1, what you will get? 2 into x, that means 2 into 2, plus y is equals to 7. So y will be equals to 7 minus 4, that is 3. So the values of x and y are 2 and 3. That will be the required answer of this question. First we find the value of y, then substitute the value of y in equation number 2, will get the value of x easily. And then you have to substitute equation number 1 with the value of x. You will get the value of y, that is 3. Now we can easily find the values of x and y, that are 2 and 3. Now we'll do another example. Example number 2, that is 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 is equals to minus 2. And it is given x by 3 plus y by 2 is equals to 13 by 6. It will be second equation. You have to do this. So first we can write this as, if you calculate, 6 will be the LCM, 3 3s are 9, so 9x minus 3 2s are, so 5 2 is 10, 10y by 6 is equals to minus 2. So from here 9x minus 10y will be equals to minus 12. That is equation number 1. Now the second one, 6 will be the LCM. So 2x plus 3y by 6 is equals to 13 by 6. Now 6 and 6 we can cancel them. So you will get 2x plus 3y is equals to 13, and it will be equation number 2. So from this you can get, or if you extend this up to, what we'll get from here, 10y 10y is equals to 9x plus 12. So y will be 9x plus 12 by 10. Now substitute y is equals to 9x plus 12 by 10 in equation number 2. If you substitute this with equation number 2, what will get? 2x plus 3y, that means 3 into 9x plus 12 by 10 is equals to 13. Now if you calculate, you will get the 10 is LCM, so 20x plus 27x plus 36 will be equals to, by 10 is equals to 13. So 47x plus 36 is will be equals to 130. Now 47x is equals to 130 and 36, that will be 94. Now x will be 94 by 47, that means 2. So that means from here you can find that x is equals to 2. If you get x is equals to 2, then substitute the value of x in equation number 1. Now substitute, you can find the substitute the value of y in equation number 1 also and 2 also, not an issue with this. Substitute x is equals to 2 in equation number 1. If you put this, so minus 9x, so 9 into 2 18, minus 10y is equals to minus 12. So 10y will be equals to 18 plus 12, that is 30. So y will be equals to 30 by 10, that is 3. So from here x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 3. These are the solution of the given question, value of x and y. So this method is the substitution method. The first method we will read, that is substitution method. So what today we learn, so if we need to find where two equation has no solution, how to draw the graphs. If this kind of equations are there, just put the values in the graph line, you will get that two lines are parallel. If two lines are parallel, that means there are no common point or no solution. That means it never intersect. Now the second equation, the similar type of equation, two equations are there, it has no common point or no common solution. If you put the points on the graph line, you will get that they do not meet one another and these two lines are parallel. Then we learn how to solve the linear equation by the algebraic method, that means without the graphical method. So if there are various types of methods are there. First, today we learn about the substitution method. In the substitution method, two equations are there. From the equation number 1, just find the value of y, and then the value of y substitute with the equation number 2, you will get the value of x, and after getting the value of x, just substitute this value of x in this with the equation number 1. If you put the value of x in the equation number 1, you will get the value of y easily. So these two, x is 2 and y is 3 in this equation. Now the second equation, the similar type of things are there. So first, from the first equation, we'll get the value that 9x minus 10y is equals to minus 12, and thus from the second equation, 2x plus 3y is equals to 13. After calculating, you will get y is equals to 9x plus 12 by 10. Now substitute this value of y in equation number 2. So put the value of y in equation number 2, you will get x is equals to 2. After getting the value of x is 2, just substitute the value of x is 2 in equation number 1, or put the value in equation number 1, you will get y is equals to 3. So from this you can easily find the value of x is 2 and y is 3. I hope we you enjoyed the session and we complete the substitution methods. In the next class we will do this linear equation without graphical use or by algebraic method, and in a new way, that is alternate method. Okay, I hope all the doubts are clear and I hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you everyone for joining.